Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Anil Kumar Srivastav. I am present with the some MCQs. Let us begin with. The first question is, how many countries are there in the BRICS uh, countries? Options are 6, 5, 7, 4. Answer is 5. There are 5 countries in the BRICS. The name BRIC itself implies that B stands for Brazil, I for R for Russia, I for India, and C for China, and S for South Africa. And its summit has now been organized in 2023 at Johannesburg, Africa. The next meeting will be organized by Russia. Now the next question is, which of the following countries will become the member of the BRICS? The options are Iran, UAE, South Africa, Ethiopia, none of these. The answer is all the countries will become the member of BRICS. The decision has been taken to this effect in the Johannesburg summit. But they will be joining by January 24. Although the formalities have been finalized, but the actual inclusion will take place in January 2024. My next question is, which of the African countries has joined or will join the BRICS summit, BRICS countries in 2024? The options are Ethiopia, Misr, Ethiopia, Egypt, Algeria, and none of these. The answer is the Algeria will not join the BRICS countries group. My next question is, when the South Africa has joined in the BRICS countries? The options are 2009, 2010, 2011, and none of these. The answer is the South Africa has joined in the BRICS countries in 2009. My next question is, which of the following continents have no member in the BRICS? The options are North America, South America, and Australia, none of these, or all of these. The answer is all of these. All of these countries have no representation in the BRICS countries group. My next question is, BRICS, where the BRICS summit, last BRICS summit has been organized, the Durban, Johannesburg, Zhangzhou, and New Delhi. The answer is Johannesburg has organized the last meeting in 2023, and the next meeting will be organized by Russia. We come to the next grouping of the countries, that is called SCO. Which country has joined in the SCO countries? The options are Afghanistan, Belarus, Iran, and none of these. The answer is Iran has now joined the SCO group, and it has become the 9th member of the group. And other members, as you already know, Russia, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and India, Pakistan, Uzbekistan. These are the 8 countries already. So my next question is BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC is also a grouping, and it is a global initiative. It is an initiative along the Bay of Bengal. There are, how many countries are there in the BIMSTEC from the ASEAN countries? The answer is there are 2 countries from the ASEAN countries which are part of the BIMSTEC. The countries are Thailand and Myanmar. These 2 countries belong to the ASEAN, which is already a strength of 10, and 2 nations have now two nations will be the part of the BIMSTEC, and other five countries. How many countries are there from the Asia, from the SAARC in the BIMSTEC? There are five countries in the BIMSTEC from the SAARC, that is India, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Bangladesh. So there are seven countries in the BIMSTEC. My next question is, which country of African continent is not a part of the African Union? The answer is West Sahara, Ethiopia, Uganda and Morocco. The answer is Morocco. Morocco has withdrew its membership from the African Union in 1985 because of the inclusion of the West Sahara. My next question is, which of the following countries has the observer status in SCO? The options are Afghanistan, Belarus, Mongolia, all of these and none of these. Not all three are the observer state, have got observer state in SCO. My next question is, where the G20 summit, that is the 18th summit, will be held? In which country? Options are Brazil, Russia, China and none of these. The answer is Brazil will host the next meeting in 2024. Where is the headquarter of the SAARC? Is it? Options are Dhaka, Kathmandu, Colombo and none of these. The answer is the headquarter of SAARC is at Kathmandu. My next question is, when and where the SAARC was established? The options are 1985 Dhaka, 1986 Dhaka, 1985 Kathmandu, 1985 New Delhi and none of these. The answer is the SAARC was established in 1985 at Dhaka. My next question is, when the African Union came into existence? The options are 1980, 2001, 2002 and 2004. When the African Union came into existence? The options are 1980, 2001, 2002, 2004. The answer is 2002. Of course, it is a successor of the Organization of African Unity and it was constituted in 2002. Mr. Mohammad Ghulam Sarwar has been appointed as the Secretary General of the SAARC. To which country he belonged to? The options are India, Bangladesh, Nepal and Sri Lanka. The answer is Mr. Mohammad Ghulam Sarwar, who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of the SAARC, belongs to Bangladesh. My next question is, out of the which countries were not the guest countries in G20 summit at New Delhi? The options are Netherlands, Spain, UAE, Singapore, all of these and none of these. The answer is all of these countries were the guest countries in the G20 summit at New Delhi. My next question is, which of the following countries from African continent participated in the G20 at New Delhi? The options are Egypt, Mauritius, Nigeria and none of these and all of these. The answer is Misr and Mauritius both have participated as a guest. Nigeria was not the guest country. My next question is, which of the following Asian countries have participated as a guest in the G20 summit? The options are UAE, Singapore, Bangladesh, all of these and none of these. The answer is all of these countries have participated as a guest in the G20 summit at New Delhi in September. ASEAN में कौन which country participated in the as the observer in the ASEAN 10-member group? The options are Papua New Guinea, East Timor, New Zealand, and none of these. Of course, New Zealand has not participated in the ASEAN group. The Papua New Guinea and East Timor has participated in the 10-nation group of the ASEAN as a guest member. My next question is Biparjoy, which is a cyclone, has taken place in some days back in India in the Arabian Sea. You have to tell which country has given the name of the Biparjoy. The options are Saudi Arab, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Thailand. The answer is the Biparjoy name has been given by the Bangladesh. My next question is, what is the meaning of the Biparjoy? The options are it is public, it is the seashore, or it is a disaster, or it is hurt. The options is the answer is the Biparjoy means the disaster or after. You have to tell. My next question is Gulab cyclone came in which area? It is in the Bay of Bengal, or Arabian Sea, or Indian Sea, or in Mauritius. The answer is it has come into Arabian Sea. Next, Asni cyclone has come in which area? The options are Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean, and none of these. The answer is Arabian Sea. So now my next question, next grouping is European Union, which has got the 27 members in it, and the UK has withdrew his name from the EU. My next question is which of the following countries are not members of the EU, European Union? The options are Serbia, Bosnia, Iceland, and Andorra. All of these or none of these. The answer is all of these countries are not members of the EU. Which of the following countries are waiting, has applied for the candidature in the EU? Options are Montenegro, North Macedonia, Turkey, all of these and none of these. The answer is all of these countries have applied for the membership of the European Union. My next question is, how many countries of the European continent is not member are not members of the European Union? The options are 23, 22, 21, 20. 23. The answer is 23 countries of the European continent are not members of the EU. Out of which of the following countries are the members of the EU? The options are Croatia, Georgia, Armenia, Monaco. The answer is Croatia is the member of the EU. My next question is how many countries are there in the SAARC? 7, 8, 6, 9 or 9. The answer is 8. Originally in 1985 there were 7 members in the SAARC, as you say, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Maldives, and Afghanistan has become the new member of the ASEAN. So we close up today the options. These options are likely to figure in the coming examinations in the different form. So you have to apply your mind, analytic mind, to learn these groupings of the countries. The questions are asked: where was the last summit was held? Where the next summit will be held? When it was established? I am talking about the BIMSTEC, Bengal Initiative, I am talking about the SAARC, South Asian Association Nations. Out I'm talking about ASEAN, and I have already talked about the SCO and G20 and European Union. So you have to know the members, and the next summit when will be held, and the last summit where was held, and what are the members of these countries. So that's all for today. I shall be meeting after some time with the next series of the questions. Thank you very much.